Gen Zs. But I must say, it's been challenging and super exciting to work with Gen Zs because if they know what they're doing and they have the clarity, then sky is the limit. But if you just get them to work like how we worked in our early days, and even if you say things like, in our time we did this, sound like my dad sometimes. She say, we used to walk so many kilometers and we didn't have this fancy shoe. I was like, yeah, but that's not the time you live in.
Absolutely.
If we don't like somebody from another generation telling us that, I don't think it's fair and right for us to tell this generation. The sense of purpose is very high at a very young age, which is why it seems odd for us to identify with it. Majority of our lives have been about survival, about
Beautifully said.
winning, getting to the top, becoming number one, becoming the CEO. It is all about the top. Very recently, a colleague and I actually sat in one of the conversations and we were talking about a promotion. It was very gracefully declined. Yeah, because they want to work on themselves and do a lot more things and not take up the responsibility, which might take away from their own self-growth. Initially, you're like, okay, we would never say no to a promotion, right? It's more money, more opportunity, more. So I don't think they chase titles. I don't think they chase the recognition of society much. I like that they're purpose driven, but I would also like that purpose is very clearly brought out initially so that you can discuss what works for an organization. If an organization's coming halfway, then it's only right the employee or the individual
workforce
comes halfway, because ultimately you're trying to drive a common purpose